Have you ever wondered what would happen if OpenAI's Sora was finally released to the public, no limits, no gatekeeping, and completely uncensored? Well,
when electricity meets emotion, every drive becomes something more. From mountain switchbacks to city streets, power flows instantly.
It just happened. Because Higgsfield didn't wait for OpenAI to make it public. They just dropped Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, and it's already blowing up the internet. Unlimited, uncensored, global. This is AI video generation with no waiting list, no paywall, no regional lock, and yes, free daily runs for everyone. OpenAI built the tech. But Higgsfield made it accessible to the entire planet, and what they've built with Sora 2 isn't just another AI tool, it's a full-blown cinema engine in your browser. They've officially dropped Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, and it's unlimited, uncensored, and global. That's right, OpenAI built the tech, but Higgsfield made it accessible to the entire planet. You're getting cinematic 1080p storytelling, multi-scene continuity, lip-sync audio, VFX control, and unlimited generations, all in one place. Hollywood? Yeah, it's shaking, because this is the first true AI cinema engine for everyone. Let's dive deep. I'll show you how to use it, what makes it special, the new modes like Brainrot and product placement, and the best part, how you can try it right now for free. What is Higgsfield Sora 2? So first, what exactly is Higgsfield Sora 2? It's a next-generation AI video engine built directly on top of OpenAI's Sora tech, but made public through Higgsfield's interface. The key idea is simple. OpenAI built the model, Higgsfield built the experience. And they didn't just release one version, they released two. Sora 2 for everyday creators, fast, powerful, unlimited. Sora 2 Pro for pros who want advanced motion reasoning, multi-scene storytelling, and full cinematic control. No regional locks, no invite codes, no request access. Both versions are live, and both support unlimited generations with global access. You can log in today and start generating right away. Higgsfield Sora 2 features: unlimited generations, global access. Both Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro run non-stop. No caps, no throttling, no queues. Creators can finally experiment endlessly without paying extra per render. Hollywood is shaking. Sora 2 delivers 1080p full motion storytelling. Sora 2 Pro takes it even further. Better camera motion, dynamic lighting, and deep reasoning between shots. That means characters stay consistent, objects don't morph, and scenes transition naturally. It's like having your own mini movie studio inside your browser. RIP gatekeeping. When the world begged for Sora, Higgsfield didn't make you wait. They gave it to everyone. Unlimited runs, full power unlocked, and freedom to create anything. The first uncensored AI cinema engine. That's right, unlike many AI platforms that censor prompts, Higgsfield supports real-world creativity. Stylized, cultural, or even edgy. It's truly culture-ready. Audio sync like never before. Sora 2 nails lip sync, background music, and voice alignment in one shot. No manual editing needed. It's literally plug-and-play filmmaking. Brainrot mode. This is where short-form creators are going to lose their minds. You can create fast-cut, meme-native micro-stories in minutes. Just hit record, drop your beat, and ship the joke. Perfect for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Product placement mode. Showcase products inside your video stories. Need to feature a new sneaker, gadget, or skincare item? You can drop it right into your cinematic scene. Subtle when you want, bold when you need. Storytelling control. You can define art, dialogue, camera direction, tone, and continuity. Every frame, every cut, every emotion, under your control. How to use Higgsfield. Sora 2. Let's walk through how to use it. Go to higgsfield.ai and sign up for an account. New users get free daily credits on the free plan, so you can test both image and video generations before upgrading. Once logged in, go to the Sora 2 dashboard. You'll see two modes, Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro. Sora 2 is your main cinematic model, fast, realistic, and ready for any idea. Sora 2 Pro, on the other hand, adds multi-scene reasoning and deeper narrative control. Perfect for film sequences and story-driven ads. Type your prompt. For Sora, 2 example. An astronaut walking through neon Tokyo in the rain, cinematic lighting, camera panning, 60 frames per second. Click generate, and within seconds, your full 1080p cinematic clip appears. Sora 2 Pro. Example: an anime-style girl floating through a forest of light, Studio Ghibli-style, soft motion, smooth camera. Want dialogue or voice? Add infinite talk integration. Type a script, and it syncs naturally to your character's lips with real human emotion. You can also combine this with product to video. Simply upload an image of your product, describe the scene, and Sora 2 places it dynamically into the environment. Export and publish. In a few minutes, you've got a scene that looks like it came from a studio, all from your browser.
You know, this place really puts the wild in wilderness. Had a run-in with a toucan earlier. We shared a fruit. It was toucan to mango. And hey, why did the Jaguar bring a backpack? Because it didn't want...
Now let's talk about two of the most viral-friendly tools in this system: Brainrot mode and product placement mode. Brainrot mode is built for creators who love fast-cut, meme-style storytelling. You can literally type a joke, sync it to music, and have a fully edited vertical video ready in minutes.
You know, it's so green out here, even my jokes are fully leafed. I asked the toucan for directions. He said it takes 2 cans to make a right. Watch this. Even the logs are rolling with laughter. If I keep going, the monkeys might start charging admission. Yeah, you'd pay in bananas, though.
Perfect for TikTok, Shorts, or Reels. Product placement mode is the next level for businesses. Want your brand's bottle, laptop, or shoes to appear naturally in your story? Higgsfield Sora 2 blends your product into cinematic footage. Subtle when you want it, bold when you need it. That's how brands are now generating entire ad campaigns without a film crew.
iPhone 17 Air. Feel the future.
Let's be honest, this is huge. AI filmmaking used to be locked behind elite access and expensive compute, but with Higgsfield, anyone, anywhere, can tell cinematic stories with the same power studios have. Hollywood is shaking, and for good reason. You don't need sets, cameras, or actors anymore. Just imagination, and Sora 2 will do the rest. This isn't just a model drop. This is the first uncensored AI cinema engine, and it's finally in your hands. Higgsfield offers a free plan with daily credits for testing Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro. Paid plans unlock more credits and higher concurrency. Full pricing details, higgsfield.ai/pricing. So whether you're building viral content, short films, or your first AI ad campaign, Higgsfield Sora 2 gives you complete control. From emotion to movement, from sound to storytelling, it's all powered by your imagination. If you want to start today, go to higgsfield.ai, sign up, claim your free daily credits, and start creating cinematic magic right now. Link in description. Thanks for watching. If you loved this deep dive into Higgsfield Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any future AI tutorials and updates.